What if I told you that one of the most influential crypto exchanges in history is shutting down? Yes, it's official. BitMEX, the exchange that helped shape modern crypto derivatives trading, has announced that it will cease all operations. For many longtime crypto investors, this marks the end of an era. But here's the big question. Will this crash the crypto market? Or is it simply the end of a once dominant platform? In today's video, we'll explain why BitMEX is shutting down, what happened behind the scenes, what users need to do immediately, and whether Bitcoin and the broader crypto market should be worried. Let's dive in. What is BitMEX? Before we discuss the shutdown, let's understand why BitMEX was so important. BitMEX was launched in 2014 and quickly became one of the world's largest cryptocurrency derivatives exchanges. It became famous for introducing perpetual futures contracts, allowing traders to speculate on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies with high leverage. At its peak, BitMEX handled billions of dollars in daily trading volume and attracted professional traders from around the world. For years, if someone wanted to trade Bitcoin with leverage, BitMEX was one of the first names that came to mind. The big announcement. BitMEX has now officially announced that it will shut down all operations. The company says trading services will be discontinued and users must close their positions and withdraw all their funds before the final shutdown date. According to the announcement, customer assets remain secure, but users are strongly advised not to wait until the last minute. Anyone who still has funds on the platform should transfer them to a personal wallet or another trusted exchange as soon as possible. Why is BitMEX closing? Many people are asking the same question. Why would such a famous exchange shut down? The answer is a combination of several factors. First, BitMEX lost much of its market share over the past few years. Competition became much stronger as exchanges like Binance, Bybit, OKX, and others introduced more user-friendly platforms, lower fees, and additional services. Second, BitMEX faced serious regulatory challenges. Authorities accused the company of failing to maintain proper anti-money laundering controls and operating without sufficient compliance procedures. Those legal problems damaged the company's reputation and slowed its growth. As regulations around the world became stricter, BitMEX struggled to regain its former position. Eventually, the company decided to end operations. Will users lose their money? This was probably the biggest concern. According to the company, customer assets remain safe. However, users must withdraw their funds before the shutdown deadline. If you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, or any other assets stored on BitMEX, don't delay. Log into your account, verify your balances, close open positions if necessary, and transfer your funds to a secure wallet or another reputable exchange. Waiting until the last day always carries unnecessary risk. Will this crash the crypto market? The short answer is probably not. Years ago, a BitMEX shutdown would have shocked the entire crypto industry. Today, the situation is very different. Its trading volume is only a fraction of what it once was. Most traders have already migrated to larger competitors. Unlike the collapse of FTX, there is currently no indication that customer funds are missing or that the company is insolvent. This appears to be an orderly shutdown rather than a financial collapse. Because of that, analysts expect only limited impact on the broader cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin's price may experience some short-term volatility as the news spreads, but a major market crash appears unlikely based on the information currently available. What does this mean for the crypto industry? This event highlights how much the cryptocurrency industry has changed. In the early days, innovation was the biggest priority. Today, regulation, transparency, security, and compliance are becoming just as important. Crypto exchanges can no longer rely only on popularity. They must also satisfy regulators, protect customer assets, and maintain public trust. The companies that adapt to these new standards are likely to survive and continue growing. Those that fail to evolve may disappear, regardless of how successful they once were. Lessons for crypto investors. There are several important lessons here. First, never keep large amounts of cryptocurrency on any exchange for long periods. If you're not actively trading, consider storing your assets in a secure self-custody wallet. Second, diversify your risk. Don't rely on a single exchange for all your crypto activities. Third, always stay informed. The crypto industry changes rapidly, and major announcements like this can happen without much warning. Being informed helps you protect your investments. Final thoughts. BitMEX helped shape the modern cryptocurrency trading industry. Its introduction of perpetual futures changed how millions of traders interacted with digital assets. Although its influence declined over the years, its place in crypto history is undeniable. The shutdown marks the end of an important chapter, but it also reminds us how quickly this industry evolves. The next generation of crypto companies will likely be those that combine innovation with strong regulation, security, and transparency. Now we'd like to hear from you. Do you think BitMEX shutting down will have any long-term impact on Bitcoin and the crypto market? Or is this simply the end of an old exchange that has already been replaced? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest crypto news and market updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.